what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I was busy at work changing the tires on my stock front wheels on the Lexus ISF. So I ended up going with 245/35 tires as opposed to the 225/40 stock tires. Since the car is lowered, I wanted a slightly lower profile but a wider base. So having that 245 instead of a 225 is going to be more grippy, more contact on the ground, and having a 35 series profile instead of a 40 series tire profile will just give that enough clearance so that it doesn't rub the tires or fender liner or things like that. So let me show you what it looks like. So here we go. These are 19/8 with the 245/35. As you can see, it's really squared off. This is a really beefy tire. That's what I was going for. I want it to be as clean and nice as possible, and these are pretty cool. I told you guys yesterday's video, these are the Otsu or Falcon off-brand tires. They look pretty damn good. They feel really good and soft. But yeah, these are 245s on an 8. Talking about tires, I actually went ahead and brought my brother's T37s to work and took off his front tires and put some new tires on them as well. But we went with a different tire size. We ended up using Achilles tires. Now, if you know what Achilles are, they're really affordable, cheap, hard tires. Most people use them for drifting or just to burn them out because they're just really whatever. But he chose to go with those tires, and honestly, after putting them on and filling them, they're really hard. They're really rough rubber. I don't really like it too much, but let me show you what they look like on a 9.5. You already seen what 245/35 look like on an 8 wide. Let's see what 245/35 look like on a 9.5. Alright guys, here they are. These are the Achilles ATR Sport tires. Like I said, I don't really like them too much. You can just tell right there, the rubber, it just looks kind of cheap. But they're really hard, they're really smooth. Not as grippy, but I know these will do decent for the most part. So, anyway, this is what it looks like on a 9.5. It has a slight stretch, as you can see here. That little round bubbly stretch. So, not too bad. 245/35 looks good, but not to be confused, most tires are different. Some tires have smaller sidewalls, some tires have more reinforced sidewalls. So coverage like this will vary. If you're wondering why there's a red stripe there, remember these used to be powder coated red and we spray painted them. But it's been over 2 years and they still look fantastic. I just cleaned it up a little bit with some degreaser after I put the tires on. So yeah, spray paint does wonders as long as you let it cure properly and as long as you paint it properly. But I do recommend using some type of automotive clear coat to clear them if you spray paint them, only because they're a lot rougher and they're more durable and they will last a lot longer. But for the most part, they're decent, better than what there was before. But yeah, there we go, 245 on a 9.5 wide. As far as my Scion, I've been driving it for the past 2 days and I really enjoy driving this car. It's not that fast, but it's really light and it picks up pretty well. I've noticed with these tires being slightly smaller, the acceleration on it is very good. When I had it at 55 series tires, it felt like it was just dragging. So most people who have like trucks with big wheels and tires, they know what it feels like. It just feels like you're just rotating boulders on your car. Now it feels a lot better. I know the car needs a little bit of cleaning, but like I said, the car is stock, but it feels great. I really like these. 16/8 wide, and it's running a 205/50 tire. I kind of want to lower it now, but I really enjoy driving it stock height because there's no problems whatsoever getting in and out of plazas and speed bumps. So yeah, starting off the video talking about tires right off the bat because that's all I did today so far. I really want to test fit one of the front wheels on the Lexus. We're going to pull this out and we're going to put one of the stock wheels on there to see how it looks like. If it needs a spacer, I might throw a spacer on it. I do have some spacers from the S1000 if you remember, but I don't mind using it on the Lexus because they're the same thread pattern, 5x114 with the same thread pitch. I think it's a M1.5. Only thing I have to worry about is the hub bore because I got hub centric spacers for the S1000 specifically. So as long as the hub bore on the Lexus is about the same or smaller, it would be just fine. Let's go put them on. Alright guys, I just tossed it on there, but I can see it tucking a little bit. Yeah, no more fitment. But it does look pretty damn good with the gold. Yeah, super nice. I actually like that. Nice clean look, nice beefy tire. I'm gonna go play around with the spacers a little bit, and hopefully the spacer works from the S2000. If not, then we're gonna have to just stick with this route. Alright guys, there it is with the stock wheels. What do you guys think? Kinda like it. Like I said, 08 ISF wheels are my favorite. I like the finish on them, I like the bulkiness of the spoke. As you can see, that's why I like Volks so much. Pretty clean. Really nice with the gold, in my opinion, with this color. Even if I took the wrap off and it was blue again, I think this gold really pops. So sweet. Just I don't have the rear wheels. I have to do that one still. But for now, the fronts look good. I'm probably gonna do the other side and call it a day. But damn, one step closer, guys. This car's gonna get sold eventually. Gonna miss you.
11 minutes later.
All right, guys. Just finished putting on the other wheel. Take a quick look. Bam. It's not that bad, honestly. It sinks a little bit, but pretty sure the next owner can just get some spacers if he wants to, or buy aftermarket wheels. But for the most part, it's pretty good. Tires are meaty. Of course, fitment is insane on the back, which I love personally. Woo. I think till the day I die, I'll always get Volk racing wheels. If it's not Volk racing wheels, it'll be work wheels. Keeping it very JDM, very Japanese. That's kind of what I want to, you know, stay at. Quality of the wheels are there, and yes, they're a little expensive, but I never really have to worry about cracking them, bending them, and I don't really drive stupid anyway. So, you know, I do have a set of Volks that have one bend on it, but that wasn't my fault. It was the previous owner's fault. So I take care of my stuff, at least for the most part. So, and honestly, it shows. So anyways, just want to keep you guys updated on some fresh meaty tires. Just talking a little bit about tire size on certain width wheels and what it'll give you. Like I said, these are brand new tires, and these are used tires. They're both the same size, both the same specs, but different brand. These are Achilles. It looks like a little bit fatter. These are Nankang. They're a little bit skinnier. As you can see there, it just has a very look to it, like a little swoop in the sidewall, whereas this one, it's a really nice curvy sidewall. And that one, the Otsu, aka Falcon brand, is really squarey, very bulgy, squarey sidewall. So it just, in your preference, what do you want? If you're looking for a super fitment, probably get something like this where the sidewall isn't as bulgy. If you want conservative with a little bit of look and affordable, Achilles is the way to go, or just a little bit of both. I would just go with that one, Otsu. But don't take my word for it. I've been playing around with tires forever just to pick the right one. So we're gonna test drive on those when I get the rears on, and we're gonna see how well it drives. And hopefully they're not that bad, because they feel really good and they're pretty affordable. So that's it. Gonna end today's video on that. One step closer on putting this car back to stock. Gonna put these Volk racing wheels away. The white ones are gonna go back on my brother's car because he actually is borrowing stocks from this car. So I need to get those stocks, my stocks, back off his car. Put the brand new 275/30. I think that's what I bought. I don't know. They're behind me on the floor here. But we're gonna put those on. We're gonna put them on the car, test fit it, do an alignment, all that jazz, and hopefully this car rides and grips pretty well. Time's ticking and I gotta work fast. I'm gonna end the vlog now, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you're a new time viewer, and if you really enjoy the content on this channel. Please like if you are a big advocate and a big fan of Volk Racing wheels, please hit the like button, and also leave a comment if you know, tell me your story, if you ever bought Volk wheels, or if you're saving up for them, or what's your opinion on Volk Racing wheels. I'll join you guys again in another video talking about more stuff, more car stuff, and hopefully I can inform you guys in some new stuff. Yeah, peace.